8 best foods that you should add to your diet to get more collagen. Did you know that you may use food to maintain your face smooth, healthy, and spotless? Let's take a look at what's on the menu for flawless skin. Collagen is a protein that is essential for the correct functioning of the body and the prevention of premature aging. We connect this protein, which our bodies manufacture, with tight skin since it is its most well-known advantage. However, collagen is also responsible for the health of our tendons, cartilage, and conjunctive tissues. It may be described as the glue that holds our bodies together. Did you realize that? Let's see the 8 best foods that you should add to your diet to get more collagen. Number 1. Garlic. Garlic includes sulfur, which is required for the production of collagen in the human body. But that's not all. It also includes taurine and lipoic acid, both of which help repair damaged collagen fibers. Number 2. Orange vegetables. Orange-colored vegetables, including carrots and pumpkin, contain vitamin A, which is capable of repairing and rebuilding damaged collagen. Number 3. Dark green vegetables. Dark green vegetables, such as spinach, broccoli, and kale, are high in vitamin C, which, as previously said, aids in collagen production. They are also high in other vitamins that the body requires to function properly. Do you find this video interesting so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 4. Tomato, pepper, and beet. This category contains lycopene, an antioxidant that acts as a natural sunscreen, protecting the skin from sun damage. At the same time, they boost the body's collagen levels. Number 5. Oat. Oat is high in silica, which is required for the formation of collagen. Furthermore, because it is high in fiber, it promotes weight reduction by creating a feeling of fullness and aiding with appetite control. Number 6. Nuts and almonds. Aside from being an excellent source of vitamin E, which is essential for collagen synthesis, nuts and almonds also include healthy lipids, which help to keep the skin youthful. It is recommended that you consume around 1/3 cup of nuts each day. Number 7. Red berries. Red berries, such as strawberries and blackberries, are high in vitamin C and flavonoids. These contain antioxidant properties, which help to combat free radicals and accelerated aging. Furthermore, as previously said, vitamin C promotes collagen synthesis. Number 8. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits contain vitamin C, which is required for the production of proteins that are converted into collagen. The advice is to have 3 to 4 servings of citrus fruits each day. People with gastritis, on the other hand, should avoid these meals since they might induce stomach pain. If you want to have healthier skin and avoid premature aging, include these items in your diet and share your results with us. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to Health Dome for more videos like this. I can't grow this channel without your support. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy. Bye for now.